changing colors, yellow, red, and brown. And there's a kind of special tour to show us all around. Let's go. Let's go on a ride. We'll bundle up a little more and then be on our way. We're headed to the farm on this beautiful day. Let's go. Let's go on a ride. Hey, we're going on a hay ride. This way, we're going on a hay ride. Tractor pulls moving slow, see the farm as we go. Hey, we're going on a hay ride. Vines and vines are in the patch, coming from the ground, growing orange pumpkins, big and small and round. Let's go. Let's go on a ride. Stalks of corn are all around, they're getting pretty tall. Rows and rows and more to see, it's finally fall. Let's go. Let's go on a ride. Hey, we're going on a hay ride. This way, we're going on a hay ride. Tractor pulls moving slow, see the farm as we go. Hey, we're going on a hay ride. Maybe there's cider from the apple trees. Maybe there's